So in our previous video, we completed our setup on Laravel by default, and the version we are using is Laravel 9.0. And in this video, let's search for admin panel, mostly free admin panel, and we implemented for our front end, that is our portfolio website. So let's go for Google and then search admin LT. Now download this. This is on free, and also go to Google and search for portfolio website HTML free. Let's check some available free web template, and we can choose one of among them and complete our. So this seems interesting. This as well. Let me check this one. It's not that much of a well. So let me check this one. I think it will do the job well. It will do the job. Right? Portfolio, then blog. We might not need blog, but I think you can. All right. So let's download this one. Which one is this? Zondo Designer Developer. This one. So I'm gonna put this on the bio. You can download this from bio as well and go along with me on development. So I'm gonna download this, and I'm gonna download this entry. It's not downloading. Alright, it's downloading. Let me give you a bit introduction about what we're gonna make. So we're gonna make this portfolio website where you can add your information about your qualification. It's kind of a CV or resume that will be beneficial to any, if you are an art student, if you are an artist, you are a singer, you are anything. So you are in any field. So better than building yourself, and if you are on IT field or programmer, then this is a portfolio website that must have on your portfolio or CV. So here there is general information, contact information, and there is detail about education, and this is about work time, and this is about services, and this is about freelancing, how much hourly you'll be paid. This is resume or project you have done, and this is all latest news. Like it can be like some kind of blog or anything, but it's optional. You should have this or not, because it's always better to have this one, but it's up to you. But I'm going to teach you how to make this one as well. Then this is the contact. If anybody wants to contact you via email or message, then they can add message you from there. So this is the general website template we're gonna use. This is a free template, and this is admin panel is also free. So I'm gonna add this two on a link, so you can download this and go along with the code. So that's it for this video. We're gonna work on our admin panel and blade templating on our next video.